Welcome. Thank you for your time and interest in our new grant project. We are thrilled to have been awarded such a generous sum and know that these funds will go a long way to help improve our 8th graders' reading skills. The funds from the grant will be used over the course of 3 years to develop and implement 4 clubs designed to improve our 8th graders' reading skills. By improving students' reading skills, we will be able to improve not only their standardized reading test scores, but scores on all standardized tests. In the first year, we will be establishing a reading club and a writing club, focusing on both sides of literacy. In the second year, we'll be establishing a STEM Makers Club, and in the third year of the program, a computer coding club. Studies show that students who participate in extracurricular activities and clubs have higher standardized reading test scores, and students who participate in STEM activities and learn coding also improve their standardized reading test scores. Each of the 4 clubs will be set up in a similar format, starting with the Readers or Leaders Book Club. We hope to generate excitement about reading, writing, STEM, and coding through the development of the clubs. By engaging students socially with their peers, each club will offer flexible meeting times and will be open to all students, but will target specific students based on scores, interests, abilities, and teacher recommendation. Clubs will also work to get families involved by including them in field trip and special event opportunities. The initial investment for each club is different based on the materials needed to develop the program. The plan for each club is somewhat the same. Students will have autonomy to choose their reading material, style and content of writing, and their making or coding projects. Clubs will target 15 to 30 students, but no student who wishes to participate will be excluded. What to do with what's left? The remaining funds after initial expenses will be spent according to club needs based on club member recommendations and member votes. You'll see that TEKS alignment has been done for each of the 4 designated clubs. You will see that while Reading Club does align with more of the 8th grade TEKS than any of the other clubs, there is still significant alignment in the remaining clubs with 8th grade reading TEKS. We are very excited to have this opportunity to provide these amazing clubs and opportunities to our students, and thank you very much.